Everyone thinks the best-selling vocal processor is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Flamma FV01. The FLAMA FV01, priced at $125.99. What caught my eye was its compact design and versatility. If you want pitch correction without the fuss, this is worth a serious look. The FV01 offers 3 vocal modes: warm, bright, and normal, allowing you to tailor your sound to suit any performance. It's not just a pitch correction pedal. It can switch to full effects overload, making it great for both live singing and recording. With over 100 units sold in the past month, it seems to be gaining traction. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're performing live and need to adjust your voice on the fly, these modes can make a huge difference in how you connect with your audience. Now, some people complained about the lack of a more extensive effects library. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily looking for pitch correction with a few extra effects, that might not be a deal breaker for you. But if you want a pedal that does it all, you might feel limited. This is perfect for you if you're a singer who performs regularly and wants simple, effective pitch correction without complicated setups. Skip this one if you're looking for a comprehensive effects library for studio quality recording. For the price, the FV01 offers solid value for basic vocal needs. Now, if the FV01's limited effects library bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Flamma FV04. We have the Flamma FV04 available for $119.99. The first thing that struck me was its sleek design and the promise of 11 different harmony modes. If you want to add harmonies easily to your performance, this is definitely worth checking out. The FV04 lets you shift seamlessly between major and minor scales, which can be incredibly useful for live performances. It supports both guitar and microphone inputs, making it an all-in-one solution for vocalists and guitarists alike. Plus, the dedicated reverb effects can really elevate your sound. With 50+ units sold last month, it's clear there's interest. Here's why this matters for you. If you're trying to create a fuller sound live without needing additional musicians, this pedal helps you achieve that effortlessly. Some users mention that the pedal can be a bit noisy at times, but here's the thing. If you're using it in a live setting with proper sound equipment, that issue tends to fade away, and it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a guitarist who wants to layer harmonies while performing. Skip this if you prefer dedicated vocal processors only with fewer features. For the price, it's a fantastic choice for those wanting variety in their sound. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who are serious about vocal processing.
Product number 3, Zoom V3. Let's talk about the Zoom V3, priced at $279.99. What really caught my attention was its array of 16 voice effects and 3-part harmonies. If you want a professional-level vocal processor, this is definitely worth your time. This unit offers so much versatility with its built-in enhancer that optimizes any mic input. Plus, it's compatible with 48-volt phantom power for condenser mics. It's designed for both live performance and streaming, recording up to 32-bit 44.1 kHz via USB, which is a huge plus for content creators. With such features, it's ideal for anyone looking to elevate their vocal game. Here's why this matters. If you're performing or streaming, having such high-quality audio can make a significant difference in how your audience perceives you. However, some users felt that it can be overwhelming with so many options. But I'll be real with you. If you take the time to learn it, the possibilities are fantastic, and that initial learning curve is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a serious vocalist or content creator looking for high-quality processing. Skip this one if you're a beginner who needs something more straightforward. For what you're getting, the Zoom V3 is a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something more compact but still powerful, the next product might just hit the spot.
Product number 4, AV100. The AV100 priced at $139.99. I was impressed by its all-in-one capabilities, from pitch correction to harmony and echo. If you want an easy-to-use device that covers many effects, this is worth a serious look. The AV100 features real-time pitch correction and an innovative AI that recognizes the song key, ensuring you get accurate results without the hassle. It's perfect for performers who want to sound their best without spending hours tweaking settings. Plus, with its built-in feedback suppression, you can perform confidently without worrying about annoying feedback. This is crucial for live performances where sound clarity matters. Some users reported that the device can sometimes struggle with certain vocal ranges. Here's the thing though, if you're in a typical range for singers, you'll likely find it works just fine, and that's a small price to pay for the overall features. This is perfect for you if you're a performer who wants a reliable processor without the technical fuss. Skip this one if you're a professional looking for extremely nuanced control. For the price, it delivers excellent features for most users. Now, if you're focused on portability, the next option might be exactly what you need.
Product number 5, AV100 Multi-Effect. We have the AV100 Multi-Effect, retailing for $139. What I found intriguing was its intelligent features, like loop cancellation and an intuitive user design. If you want something user-friendly that still packs a punch, you should check this out. This processor is designed for all setups, making it perfect for dynamic, condenser, and ribbon microphones. Its pitch correction is effective, and the built-in echo and reverb add depth without complicating your performance. This is especially important for those who want a polished sound in a live setting. With its quick and easy setup, it's great for anyone who needs a reliable tool on the go. However, some users found it lacking in advanced features. But honestly, for the price point and ease of use, it's a great tool for most performers who need the basics done well. This is perfect for you if you're a singer or podcaster looking for a straightforward yet effective vocal processor. Skip this one if you're an advanced user seeking specialized effects. It strikes a good balance and value for what you get. So, to wrap it up, the Flamma FE01 is great for simple pitch correction. The FE04 adds harmonies. The Zoom V3 offers professional features. The AVE100 is an all-in-one solution, and the AVE100 Multi-Effect is user-friendly. Each has its strengths, so consider what you really need before making a choice.